For decades, the luxury automotive hierarchy was absolute. If you made it to the top of the executive ladder or cashed in your life's work, you bought a Mercedes-Benz S-Class. It was the undisputed gold standard of elite transport, a rolling monument to status, German engineering prestige, and effortless wealth. But as we navigate the 2026 luxury landscape, a quiet rebellion is taking place inside executive parking garages and private collections. The hyper-complex, digitized reality of the modern S-Class is actively driving long-time enthusiasts away, leaving a massive void that one specific Japanese flagship is uniquely built to dominate. That vehicle is the 2026 Lexus LS 500. To understand why the 2026 Lexus LS stands as the only full-size flagship sedan worth your hard-earned capital today, you have to look past superficial showroom lighting and examine what these vehicles actually turn into after 5 years on the road. The modern Mercedes class has transformed from a mechanical masterpiece into a fragile computer terminal on wheels. Step inside a 2026 class, and you are immediately confronted by a massive blinding glass screen spanning the dashboard. The tactile switches are gone. The heavy, weighted climate dials have been wiped out in favor of submenus buried deep within a digital interface. It looks impressive on an iPad display, but try adjusting your seating, lumbar support, or climate control while cruising down a highway at 70 miles per hour, and the illusion shatters instantly. It is an ergonomic nightmare disguised as modern progress. Most critics praise German luxury brands for pushing software limits, but ask any senior technician who actually works on these platforms, and they will tell you a very different story. Behind that dazzling digital ambient lighting lies an electrical architecture so delicate that a single voltage drop can lock out your climate control, freeze your instrument cluster, and strand your luxury sedan in emergency limp mode. Lexus took a radically different, far more disciplined path with the 2026 LS. Instead of subjecting drivers to fingerprint, stained touchscreens, and glossy plastic touch pads, the LS cabin remains a masterclass in tactile ergonomics and timeless Japanese craftsmanship. The interior materials feel heavy, substantial, and deliberately engineered to endure decades of direct sunlight without creaking or glitching. The available Curico glass ornamentation and hand pleated fabric door trims don't just look bespoke, they radiate an artistic level of physical detail that no mass-produced German ambient lighting bar could ever hope to replicate. On paper, the baseline Mercedes S500 offers competitive specs from its turbocharged inline-six, paired with a mild hybrid setup, outputting roughly 442 horsepower. But beneath that polished sheet metal lies a terrifying web of microchips, complex pneumatic suspension solenoids, and 48-volt lithium systems. Industry analysts and secondary market buyers know the truth. Once these German flagships cross their factory warranty threshold, they cease being status symbols and immediately transform into high-risk financial sinkholes. Depreciating at a brutal pace, an out-of-warranty class sits just one module failure away from a 5-figure dealership invoice. If you are looking at the pre-owned or secondary market for an executive cruiser, this next detail isn't just an inconvenience, it is a massive financial trap. While a 5-year-old German flagship can lose up to 60% of its original sticker value due to looming repair fears, the Lexus LS retains its resale value like an armored vault. The reason comes down to an uncompromising engineering standard set in Japan decades ago. This brings us directly to the mechanical foundation of the 2026 Lexus LS 500. Under the long, sculpted hood sits a proven 3.4-liter twin, turbocharged V6 engine, paired with an ultra-responsive 10-speed direct shift automatic transmission, generating a robust 416 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque available at low RPMs. This powertrain propels the heavy executive sedan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a rapid 4.6 seconds. Power delivery is instant, silent, and effortlessly linear. Standard full-time all-wheel drive featuring a Torsen limited slip center differential guarantees rock-solid traction. Whether you are powering through an unexpected downpour or carving through high-speed highway sweeps, where competitors resort to synthetic engine sounds piped in. Through interior speakers to mask weak mechanical notes, Lexus focused on acoustic isolation. The LS 500 uses active noise cancellation combined with dual-pane acoustic glass and specialized noise, reducing alloy wheel designs to completely eliminate cabin resonance. When you step on the throttle, you don't hear an artificial exhaust soundtrack. You simply feel a surge of smooth torque, while the outside world remains completely silent. Here is the engineering secret that most automotive reviewers completely glaze over: the mechanical longevity of the chassis components. Mercedes uses lightweight rubber bushings and complex multi-link air springs, designed primarily for high-speed Autobahn compliance over a short 3-year lease period. Lexus, on the other hand, tests every suspension arm, bushing, and air strut in the LS to survive hundreds of thousands of miles of rough road abuse without degrading ride geometry. When you spend 3 hours behind the wheel of the Lexus LS on a long-distance road trip, you begin to appreciate where true flagship luxury lies. The standard adaptive variable suspension actively scans road surfaces to neutralize minor impacts before they reach the cabin. There is no harsh tire slap over expansion joints, no jittery secondary vibrations through the steering column, and zero wind buffeting around the side mirrors. It doesn't force you to scroll through confusing dynamic drive menus just to find a comfortable setting. It delivers an uninterrupted, serene sanctuary every single time you start the engine. Now, let's talk numbers, because the financial disparity between these two vehicles is staggering. A tastefully configured 2026 Mercedes class easily climbs past the $125,000 threshold before dealer delivery fees and regional markups. The 2026 Lexus LS 500 comes in significantly lower, while offering standard equipment that Mercedes locks behind expensive optional packages. We are talking about standard 28-way power-adjustable front seats with deep tissue massage functions, a panoramic glass roof, and the sublime 23-speaker, 2,400-watt Mark Levinson reference surround sound system featuring quantum logic immersion technology. So what are you actually receiving for that extra $30,000 when you purchase the S-Class? You aren't getting superior build assembly, and you certainly aren't getting better long-term reliability. You are paying a premium for brand badge perception and software screens that will look dated before your loan term even expires. By contrast, the Lexus LS is assembled at Toyota's world-famous Tahara manufacturing facility in Japan, a plant renowned for maintaining the strictest build quality protocols in the global automotive industry. At Tahara, master Takumi craftsmen undergo decades of rigorous training before they are allowed to touch a flagship LS. Every single panel gap is measured with digital laser precision, paint layers are hand-inspected under specialized lighting grids, and every twin-turbo engine is stethoscope-tested for vibration anomalies before leaving the factory line. This level of manufacturing discipline simply does not exist on high-speed European assembly lines. For the 2026 model year, Lexus is celebrating this legacy with an exclusive LS 500 Heritage Edition, limited strictly to roughly 250 units for the entire North American market. Finished in a deep 90 noir paint finish paired with darkened exterior moldings, dark metallic split, spoke wheels, and a bespoke Rioja red semi, aniline leather interior, it stands as a collector-grade tribute to Japanese executive prestige. It doesn't need to scream for attention with flashy exterior light strips or gimmick screen displays. It commands respect purely through proportions, engineering depth, and road presence. The verdict here comes down to buyer intent. If your goal is to lease a vehicle for 24 months, strictly to show off at a valet stand, by all means, write the check for a Mercedes S-Class. But if you are a mature, experienced car buyer who understands the value of engineering integrity, tactile quality, mechanical longevity, and financial discipline, the choice is clear. The S-Class may have created the modern luxury benchmark decades ago, but in 2026, the Lexus LS 500 remains the only full-size luxury sedan that respects your intelligence, your driving comfort, and your wealth. If you value real automotive analysis without the influencer hype, subscribe to LuxeLine. We don't drive boring cars, and we certainly don't buy overhyped ones.